Hello, dears, how are you? My heart and me, of broken dreams and my aged heart. You left me in tears and apart, my darling. You could have told me to go. I would have left you in peace, my dear. Sweet, why did you? Why did you create such a skin? You broke my heart. You broke my trust so bad, my dear. I don't feel sorry. I don't feel sorry. I don't feel sad. Just the feelings. Just the feeling of a broken dream, my dear. What will remain with me forever? I will not forget, my dear. And I will not forgive, my sweet dear. When you love, you get hurt. When you get hurt, you hate, my dear. When you hate, you try to forget, my dear sweet. When you try to forget, my dear sweet, you start missing me. You start missing me. When you start missing me, my dear sweet, you fall in love again. For once in my life, my dear, for once in my life, I don't have to cry to be happy, my beautiful darling. When I am with you, it just happens. I love my eyes. I love my eyes when you look into them, my dear. I love my name. I love my name when you say it. I loved you, my dear, sweet. I love my heart when you love it. I love my life. I love my life when you are in it, my dear.